everybody, welcome to today's video. I'm so excited to be sharing my Rome travel diary with you. This was the third and final stop on the most incredible trip that I recently took with EF Ultimate Break. I had never even been out of the country before, and they made it travel such a breeze. They took care of my flights and my hotel accommodations. They are a travel company for anyone between the ages of 18 and 29, and they have just so many trips to pick from. So definitely check them out. I'm so excited to be sharing these memories with you, and I hope that you guys enjoy watching this video. So let me know in the comment section if you have also traveled with EF or if you plan to in the future. They have so many trips to pick from, so make sure you go ahead and check them out to see if they have your dream destination as well. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoy.
person who made this trip special. Group dynamics are one of the main things that make the trip better, okay? And in this group, I really appreciated that you have always been so nice, you always care about each other. But I'm super happy that you made new friends. I know that this trip, for most of you, it wasn't just about traveling. It has a deeper meaning for sure. And I hope that you are satisfied and that you got the experience you were hoping to get. So I'm sure you're going to keep beautiful memories from this trip. But I also want you to have a little memory from me personally that will remind you these beautiful days we spent together in Europe.
Thank you.
Keep singing, right?